everybody, welcome to EZVIZ Must Buy channel. Today I'd like to recommend you a must-have household product. Here is our newly launched Ionic air purifier. You may wonder, why should I buy a purifier? Most people don't know that the air in home can be 5 times more polluted than the air outside. So an air purifier is quite necessary for home. And then you may questioning, why should I buy your EZVIZ model over others? I will give you 3 reasons. Okay, reason number 1 is high efficiency. Here you can see our EZVIZ air purifier. It's got this 3-stage filtration technology. The first filter is nylon mesh pre-filter, which is used to trap large particles such as human hairs, fibers, dust, PM10, etc. And the second filter is H13 HEPA filter. And for this filter, it's quite necessary because it can filter pollen, mold, plant spores, pet dander, PM2.5, and all of those 5 particles can down to 0.3 microns in size. And for your information, our H13 HEPA filter, this level is quite high in the market. And then the third filter is activated carbon filter. This filter will use the coconut as the raw material. It can neutralize odors and absorbs formaldehyde, benzenes, tobacco smoke, and cooking gas. So with these 3-stage filters, it consists of a complete and advanced system. We can give you 2 numbers to prove how efficiency of this system. The first number is CADR. Our CADR can achieve up to 250 cubic meters per hour. And for the CADR, it is it's indexed. Yes, it's indexed that most or all of those purifier needs to be classified by the CADR. It means clean air delivery rate. So the bigger the number, and then the better the purifier. Okay, and then the second number is the coverage. With this 250 cubic meters per hour CADR, we can cover up to 30 square meters. So you can put this purifier in your bedroom or in your living room or even in your office. It can be used in various scenarios. And still, I want to emphasize the second filter is our H13 HEPA filter. Here also I want to give you 2 numbers. The first number is 99.97%. That means with this high efficiency HEPA filter and the level H13, it can remove almost 100%, 99.97% of allergens or the airborne contaminants. It can be very, how to say, you can normally can't see those particles in our naked eyes. So the unit is up to 0.3 microns. So that's why we call it a microscope grade filtration. And also one thing to note that our last generation, the filters of this HEPA filter, the level is H11. So we can see this newly launched Ionic air purifier, it has upgraded this HEPA filter level. Okay, so reason number 2 to buy this purifier is this is really good to health. Imagine imagine when you are in the waterfalls or up in the mountains, don't you feel more energized? And That's why you want to breathe in, you want to do more this deep breath, right? Because these waterfalls and mountains, it can deliver a large density of negative ions. And to this air purifier, it can also actively release millions of negative ions. So it can reduce remaining airborne contaminants and also to further enhance the air quality. So that contributes to a healthier state of mind. So that's reason number 2. And then reason number 3 is this machine is really easy to use. Here you can see there is a coloring, right? We can turn on this machine. Here you can see this is the coloring. Here right now is green, and normally it's got this 3 status, 3 different colors. If it's green, that means the air quality is fresh, it's good, it's clean. But if it's orange, that means the air is mildly polluted. And if it's red, it's obviously heavily polluted. So if you want to tell the air quality just with with a glance, you can know the air quality immediately. So it's really intuitive. And also from the top of this machine here, we got these 5 buttons. These 5 buttons, you can press one button one time to activate one function. Once you press one button, or you can press those 2 buttons together to unlock some certain functions. So those 5 buttons are really simplified and also can be combinable. And the most important thing is about this filter replacement. As you may know, as an air purifier, it's inevitable to replace the filter from time to time. So for some other models which has this big size or those complex replacement steps to follow, but for our this purifier, it won't take you much time or much energy to do this replacement. It only got you maybe 30 seconds. So here I want to show you how we replace the filter. Okay, so first thing we upside down this purifier, and then we rotate the button cover counterclockwise. Okay, yes, then they just open, and then we take out this filter, and also we put in the new filter in, right? And also then we rotate back this cover clockwise, and then it's done. So you also can have this timekeeping, say only takes you maybe 30 seconds, right? So it's really convenient. It's really easy to have this replacement thing done. So let's summarize that why we need to buy this purifier, because it's has this high efficiency, it's good to house, and it's also very easy to use. So that's why you must buy this purifier.